All the times we had together just throw it away. Now I gotta suffer from the clouds that cover my face. Myself is so good and even under me. Do I really give a fuck? I just don't really care at this point. Why away with my time? Just being with me. When I could be having the time. Spending with my ha 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 ha. Gotta have better memories than this bullshit here. Nothing here is nothing here is nothing to do. Sit in my room wasting time all the time. Not accepted to the spirit that I make up in. Now I can't feel my face upside down. I can't see I'm too high. Ah, 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 ah.